Well, hello there. My name is Hannah, and I'd like to share with you a concept about ufology. As you already know, in this rough draft comparison, the size of a school bus is compared with a possible UAP. The acronym UAP stands for Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena, of which such a blimp-like object might just manifest if it were to land. But, considering some drone or UFO, for instance, can we really deduce the space-time momentary travel from point A to point B? Wherefore, let us listen to what Aglaia has to say about it. As for me, Hannah, I offer the audio stage henceforward.
So we have our school bus parked, and we desire to communicate with the Plusarian. But there is complete quiet. Even if this is a model, a reenactment of the real possible thing. Could this be the impossibility of a drone that landed? The big blimp-like UFO or UAP? And a very large one at that. So let me interview Johnny. He might have a few words to share with us. So, Johnny, what do you think of this thing, which is 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock above your bus? You have stopped with the night camp. What do you think?
Well, I don't know, sir. Perhaps this is something that I haven't seen, maybe out of this world.
Oh, I can't put a finger on it. But we have stopped here and everything is quiet. Now, mind you, we have muted out all the other people. This is only between me and you, Johnny. What else do you think of this strange object that has landed? Any thoughts? Any worldview?
Well, I don't know. I'm just a student of the night camp.
And this thing is just beyond our imagination. We have an aerial camera from another drone, as it were, taking a picture of this blimp-like object. It looks quite eerie, I should say. Yea, I should say it is quite interesting. Well, here we are, parked with a school bus on the night camp, and trying to see whether this thing is a real UFO or an inflated balloon, and that this school bus is just a small toy, this diorama and model that we have used for the video. What are your views, Johnny, for this?
Be it so that it could be a model, but then again, what if something like this would happen? Can you exemplify this by the picture? Could it have come down from afar, say, several light years away, using the power of folding of space? Hyperspace, folded up, space-time continuum, folded in on itself in a 5-dimensional manner. Space-time is four-dimensional, but we need a fifth dimension to bend space, to fold it back on itself. And then this object would have traveled to defy the theory of relativity, in that it would have arrived here several light years away in a split second. For when space-time continuum is folded, there is no distance between point A and point B. By analogy, you can take a sheet of paper, an 8.5 by 11, and draw a dot on the bottom of that sheet of paper and then a dot on the top. Fold up the paper and you'll notice that the two dots, they unite and there is no distance between them. But when you fold it back out, there is a great distance between these two dots. So this sheet of paper would be space-time continuum, folded up, but if it would be folded and multifolded, say five-dimensionally, then you can be at any point of the universe in an instant, in a nanosecond, from point A to point B, from point B to point C, and from point C to point D, all the way down the alphabet. And then multiply these points to the number, perhaps that of a Google, which is even vaster than all the grains of sand that would pack our observable universe. So many points to deal with and to reckon with. All right, enough, Johnny. It's too much, even for any of us to comprehend. So here we are. And as it were, the great UFO, or is it a drone that has landed? We do not know. And thank you, Johnny, for your time. Thank you, Johnny, for your time. And let us consider such things if they would occur. And thank you for watching, everyone. Take care.